Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a repair report from my friend Dusty Rhodes right here in Kentucky on the Stryker sr-440hp. Dusty, we got you ready to go, bud. First of all, I want to thank you for your incredible patience. It's been here a long time. It's kind of like I was telling people back when I was taking repairs that I had an unknown ETA due to website sales, but we've been trying to work a few in here and there, and we got you fixed up. Went through and cleaned all your potentiometers. They was very scratchy. Replaced one MOSFET vinyl in it. Had to replace, where's that little guy at? Had to replace the relay. Here. Replace the relay right there. And just a lot of cold solder joints on this thing. A lot of connector issues. Top of the display was flickering. I think I've got that taken care of. Hadn't seen no more issues out of that. This thing is ready to go. So we're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug. Alright, got you at 1 watt. That way if you side run amp, you got full adjustability. 12 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low 30 bird. What's that mean for PEP? Hello 1 2 1 2. Hello 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 hello. 60 watts PEP. Alright, my friend, it's ready to come back to you. I appreciate you once again. If you think about it, hop on Google reviews and give us a 5-star review. We sure would appreciate it. From your friend Truck, truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.